Be honest, you loved OpenClaw on day 1, but by day 30, it's bloated, it's broken, and you're spending more time fixing your AI agent than actually using it. You aren't the only one. Today, we are ditching the clunky lobster and upgrading to Hermes, the fastest growing autonomous agent that actually gets smarter the longer you use it. Here is why OpenClaw is dead, and how to get Hermes running on a cloud VPS in under 3 minutes. Let's talk about why OpenClaw sucks right now. It comes down to 2 massive failures: memory and security. When you use OpenClaw, it dumps everything you say into an endless text file. Over time, that file gets so massive that the AI basically gets brain fog. It hallucinates, forgets important context, and slows to a crawl. On top of that, to make OpenClaw useful, you have to download skills from community hubs, which have literally been caught hosting malware and security vulnerabilities. It feels like an unfinished science fair project. Enter Hermes, built by the AI researchers at Noose Research. Hermes fixes the memory problem by enforcing strict limits. Instead of remembering everything, a background agent actively curates its memory every 10 messages. It keeps what matters and deletes the junk, meaning Hermes stays sharp and laser-focused, even months down the line. But here is the absolute game changer: the self-improvement loop. Hermes doesn't rely on sketchy community marketplaces for skills. When you give it a complex problem, it struggles through it, figures it out, and then writes its own custom skill file for next time. It literally builds its own toolset based on your specific workflows. Let's see how to install Hermes. I'm not going to install Hermes on my personal PC for 2 reasons. First, it can control your entire PC. That could cause problems like deleting files, exposing passwords, or something like that. Second, to get the most out of an AI agent, you should keep it running 24/7. So instead, I'm going to install Hermes on a VPS server. I'm using a hosting of VPS. I'll drop the link below with a promo code so you can get 10% off. If you bought a hosting of VPS, you can find the login command right here on the VPS dashboard. Copy that command and paste it into your terminal. Let me enter my password to log in. To install Hermes, go to the official Hermes website. There you will find the command that we can use to download and install Hermes on basically any operating system. Now we should give it some time to install. You can see that after installation, it is detecting that I already have OpenClaw installed on this VPS. There is also a feature that lets us import configurations from OpenClaw, but I'm not going to import anything right now. Unlike OpenClaw, this one supports a lot of providers like AWS Bedrock. I already made another video about how to get the Claude API for free using AWS Bedrock. You can use that API key here, but for now I'm going to use Google Gemini Authentication. That lets us use the Gemini free trial. We need to copy this URL and paste it into our browser. Then sign in with your Google account. After that, copy this code and paste it into the terminal. Now we can select a model for our AI agent. Just like OpenClaw, we can also connect Telegram to our AI agent. You can simply create a Telegram bot using BotFather and paste the token here. It's a simple process, so I'm not going to cover it right now. I already made previous videos about it, so you can check them out on my channel. After finishing the setup, just type Hermes to run the agent. If something like this pop-up appears, just press Ctrl+X to exit. And that's it. The agent is running perfectly fine. We have successfully set up our new AI agent, and honestly, it is definitely worth trying. So after setting it up, what are you planning to do with it? Let me know in the comments section. See you next time.